Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to request a refund for your Ticketmaster tickets online. If your plans changed or an event got rescheduled, this step-by-step guide will help you request your money back easily. Let's get started! Step 1. First, head over to Ticketmaster.com using your browser. Step 2. On the top right corner, click Sign In to access your account. Step 3. Enter your login details, then hit Continue to proceed to your account dashboard. Step 4. Once signed in, click your profile icon in the top right, then select My Tickets. Step 5. Scroll through your events and pick the ticket you'd like to request a refund for. Step 6. On the ticket details page, scroll down and click on the Request a Refund button. Step 7. Finally, click Submit and go through all the on-screen questions to complete your refund request. Bonus tip: not all tickets are refundable. Make sure the event qualifies for a refund under Ticketmaster's policy, especially for rescheduled or canceled shows. And that's how you refund your Ticketmaster tickets online. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical step-by-step guides. See you next time!